Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a immaculately designed family-oriented home for sale. It is located in the tranquil hills of Rhyne Park, St. James, and this home is just awaiting its new owner. It is privately situated away from the busyness of the town. This five-bed, 5.5 bath home is elegantly designed with modern features. It is outfitted with a pool table and bar. With the added feature of a safe room, it is the perfect place to consider home. This home has so many features to list, so it's best to come see for yourself. Call to schedule your viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 800,000 or Jamaican $126.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.